Assalamualaikum. My name is Alina Gul. I am reading class 6. My presentation topic is parts of a flower. There are 4 parts of a flower. First of all, I will explain sepal. Sepal, a bud of flower, is often covered by leaf-like structure called sepal. They are thick and usually green in color. The main function of sepal is to protect the flower. In the bud stage, the whorl of sepal is called calyx.
The second part of a flower is petal. The most prominent part of a flower are its petals. They are pretty colors. The petal most of the plants smell very pleasant. The main function of the petal is to attract the pollinators and also to protect the inner part of a flower. The whorl of petal is called a corolla.
The third whorl is a complete flower in the stamen. A stamen is a long structure called pyramid. It is a male part of a flower. A stamen is a stick and its stalk called anther, which bear pollen grain. These pollen grain carry male reproductive cell and sperm with them.
The fourth part of a flower is carpel. Carpel is the innermost whorl of a flower. It has solemn base called as ovary. The ovary contains female reproductive cell called as ovule. The ovary extends upward into a tube called its style, and its flat sticky surface is known as stigma. Stigma catches the pollen grain due to its sticky surface.